When selecting windows for your Kendall home, the local climate plays a crucial role in determining the best options. Kendall's weather is characterized by warm temperatures, high humidity, and a hurricane season that demands extra attention to durability and protection. Choosing the right windows not only enhances the aesthetics and functionality of your home but also ensures they stand up to Kendall's unique environmental challenges. Here's how weather and humidity affect your window choices and what features to look for to keep your home comfortable and secure. Combating high humidity. Kendall's tropical climate means humidity levels are consistently high throughout the year. Excessive moisture in the air can affect both the durability and performance of your windows. For example, wooden window frames are prone to warping, rotting, and swelling in high humidity conditions, which can lead to operational difficulties and a compromised seal. Solution: choose materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum for your window frames. These materials are resistant to moisture-related issues, making them ideal for Kendall's humid environment. Additionally, ensure proper sealing and weatherproofing during installation to prevent water infiltration and mold growth. Energy efficiency in warm temperatures. Kendall experiences warm weather for most of the year, which can result in high cooling costs if your windows aren't energy efficient. Poorly insulated windows can allow heat to penetrate your home, making your air conditioning system work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Solution: invest in energy-efficient windows with features like low-E, low emissivity coatings and double or triple glazing. These technologies reflect heat away from your home while maintaining indoor comfort. Look for windows with an ENERGY STAR certification to ensure they meet rigorous energy efficiency standards. Protection against hurricanes and strong winds. Kendall's location in South Florida puts it in the path of hurricanes and tropical storms during hurricane season. Windows that aren't designed to withstand strong winds and flying debris can become a serious safety hazard during these events. Solution: opt for impact-resistant windows, also known as hurricane windows. These windows are built with reinforced glass and durable frames that can withstand high winds and impacts. They also eliminate the need for storm shutters, providing year-round protection and peace of mind. Condensation and fogging. Humidity often leads to condensation on window panes, which can obstruct your view and create an unsightly appearance. In double or triple glazed windows, condensation between the panes indicates a seal failure, which compromises the window's insulating properties. Solution: choose windows with high-quality seals and inert gas fills, such as argon or krypton, between the panes. These features reduce the risk of condensation and improve energy efficiency. UV protection. Kendall's sunny climate means your home is exposed to significant UV radiation, which can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. Standard windows may not provide adequate protection against these harmful rays. Solution: look for windows with low-E coatings that block UV rays while allowing natural light to enter. These coatings protect your interiors and help maintain your home's aesthetic appeal. Soundproofing for a quiet retreat. in bustling areas of Kendall, outdoor noise from traffic, neighbors, or construction can disrupt the peace and quiet of your home. Traditional windows may not offer sufficient sound insulation. Solution: consider laminated glass or windows with multiple panes to reduce noise pollution. Proper installation also plays a key role in achieving optimal soundproofing. Durability in a coastal environment. Although Kendall is not directly on the coast, its proximity to salt-laden air can contribute to corrosion in certain window materials. This is particularly important for homes closer to the coastline. Solution: choose windows made from corrosion-resistant materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or powder-coated aluminum. These materials can withstand the effects of salty air, ensuring your windows remain functional and attractive over time. Proper ventilation and humidity and warm temperatures in Kendall make good ventilation essential to maintaining indoor air quality. Windows that don't open easily or lack proper screens can hinder airflow and invite pests inside. Solution: select windows with smooth operating mechanisms and screens that allow for fresh air circulation while keeping insects out. Casement windows, sliding windows, and double-hung windows are excellent options for improving ventilation. Aesthetic considerations. Kendall is known for its diverse architectural styles, from Mediterranean-inspired homes to modern designs. Your windows should complement your home's style while meeting functional requirements. Solution: choose customizable window options that match your home's design. From frame colors and finishes to grille patterns, modern windows offer a wide range of aesthetic features to enhance curb appeal. Final thoughts. The weather and humidity in Kendall significantly influence the performance and longevity of your windows. By considering factors like material durability, energy efficiency, impact resistance, and UV protection, you can choose windows that not only withstand the elements but also enhance your home's comfort, safety, and aesthetic appeal. Working with a professional window installer in Kendall ensures you select the right products and achieve flawless installation, maximizing the benefits for your home. With the right windows, you can enjoy a more secure, energy-efficient, and beautiful living space tailored to Kendall's unique climate.